Hello everyone. Eric Gaming 1000 here. We're just gonna play Cook Burgers with that Kenny creator. Yeah. Okay, let's go. Alright. So basically, yeah, you just gotta cook burgers, you know. I'm gonna get some French fries in here. Ready? Oh. Alright. Alright. Let's keep on cooking
Okay,
them.
let's try to
Ooh.
do this.
Okay.
You know?
Let's lock in, bro. Lock in. I'll start cooking some burgers. You gotta grill your bun, you know. Okay. See, everything has to be cooked, you know, let's cook it all. Are my fries good? Slightly fried. Get out. What, 4 patty? That's okay. Oh no, I wouldn't want to go in there. Okay, uh, yeah. Anyways, um, oh, I have a really good idea. Alright, one sec,
Okay,
I'll
I
be right back.
I perfectly fried.
I got you a present. I got you a present.
What is it?
A kitty cat. Should we fry it?
Yes.
No. Okay. Okay. Wait, let's fry it.
Who wants fries?
I want fried kitty cat. No, my kitty cat. Get back here. Get back here.
Eric, you want 6 bunny?
Yeah, no, I'm good. I gotta get the kitty cat. Oh my. How are you so fast?
What? On my
Uh,
feathers.
d- d- d-
Do-do-do-do-do. No, why are they black?
oh no, they're burning. Here, I know what to do if it's ever burning. Yeah.
Oh,
Oh
oh,
no. Let's put the kitty in that.
yeah.
Stupid cat. I can't grab it. Okay, I got it. Come in here, kitty. Oh my gosh, kitty. That's it, kitty cat. You're dying.
Yo, how do I make it stop? Oh, it won't
Go in
stop.
the
So like,
fryer. Okay,
might
that's
as
it.
well just poison the
Alright,
people.
I'll be right back. I gotta go do something, okay?
Okay. Oh, freaking get back here.
Scary buddy?
Oh, you're so
Yeah.
annoying. Just
Oh, I found a mouse. Do you want to fry this mouse? I bet we can fry the mouse. Oh my. There's no way I'm letting you take my food. Yo. Yo, what the heck? Yo, how is there so many mice? No, I wanted to fry a mouse. You're cooking the kitty. Oh my gosh. Okay, that's fine. That's fine.
Eric, can
Okay.
you open the microwave?
Yeah, I got. Oh, wait. Okay. Okay.
Wait, think about it. It might not fit.
And then we
But
put
my
it in the
hand.
fridge.
No, wait, no. The microwave is better.
Microwave, yeah, okay. What the heck? Alright, do you think it'll fit?
Close it. Close it.
Oh no!
No.
I did. Alright,
Whatever. Just leave it
alright.
alone.
Yeah, alright, I'll be right back. Oh my gosh. Okay. It's all good. All goody. Wait, I messed up.
Uh-oh.
Love the Sigma, guys. Okay, it's all good.
Okay, guys. I'm gonna
Rat.
lock in now.
Yeah, rat. Rat. I am a skibidi.
Actually, I should
Huh.
make the stupid bird. Oh, plate is
Oh,
first.
what the Sigma? Get out. It's a kitty cat. Get out, kitty cat. Go eat the rat. Isn't that what you guys do? Alright, okay. Okay, let's go in. Yeah! There we go. Uh. Oh. Well, this is nice. Sigma, 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 bye, boy. Are you cooking them good burgers?
Yeah. Oh crap. I just realized. Oops, I was on my phone.
Oh,
Oops.
bro's tough.
Okay, I gotta walk in now.
Yeah. Okay, okay.
See,
No!
No!
what happened?
Get out, Nicholas.
What?
We're
Are you
making a
making a
video.
video?
Yeah, get out. Or you can join us, I don't care.
I got banned.
How? Get out!
I'll join you. Oh, this is my
Oh,
second
okay.
account.
Oh, okay. We're just making a cook burgers video.
Bro, I play this game so much on my other account, so I have a few Robux things.
No!
What?
Can you close the lid? Can you close the lid?
Alright,
Yeah. I got a rat in here.
another one.
Guys, I bet you that's Eric.
I'm gonna be a rat. I'll
No.
be back.
Oh,
Get out!
this is Eric's punishment for becoming a rat.
I'm not
Yeah,
a
Have
you
fun
rat,
in the
bro.
microwave.
I'm not a rat, bro.
Have fun in the microwave. You're a rat, bro. I never seen a rat jump.
No, no, they jump whenever you get their food.
No,
Yes,
no.
yes.
Is that a big hawk?
I think if there's a rat in a microwave, though, you should, like, definitely let it out. Oh,
Guys, I'm a rat.
No, I don't want to let it out.
ayo, bro.
Guys, I'm a rat. Hi.
Fine.
Did you see me?
Get out!
Yeah.
Nah, nah, nah. Come fight me. Come fight me. Yes. Yo, let's throw it in the garbage. If we ever catch it.
Me?
Yep.
No.
Okay, so. Bro, ain't no way that guy just stole my food. I see how it is, rat. Check my story, rat. Do rats ever do this? Nope, you're in going into the fire.
I have a question for you guys.
Alright.
Do you guys like your cheese melted or do you guys like your cheese like cold?
I like my cheese drippy.
Get out.
Get out.
I'm
Here, take
leaving.
it, bird.
Bye.
Get out. Okay, but goodbye. Alright, that's I'm gonna walk in. Are you making them good, yummy food orders?
By Nicholas.
By Nick. I hope your head feels better after a driver hit it in the face. Okay, what the Sigma chat?
Hmm?
I'm gonna go to the store, you know? Type.
Get out. I actually cooked someone their burger and they actually liked it.
Oh, that's very yummy. What the? Flying rat. Get out.
If you guys are in Canada, there's a really good burger place. It's called Fat Burger.
Get
It's
out.
really delicious. Thinking about it makes me cry. Because it was really, really good. Bye.
What the? Okay. Okay, I said chat. I'm gonna go into the store. Does everything cost Robux in the store? Do you know?
Robux? I don't think so.
Oh, okay. Just when I went in there, it was like, do you want to pay 7 million Robux? I was like, shut up! Oh my gosh, what the
Count your calories. Don't ever move on.
Okay. Okay.
Get out. Who left?
What do you mean? I think Nicholas left. Didn't he? Yeah, he left the call.
Bye-bye. No,
Oh.
no. Get out.
Wow, this is actually absolute cinema.
So no, 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 no. Yo. One time I saw Ratatouille in this game.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's like the really special rat, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
We will road. We will rock
Yeah.
you. We will. I think I should stop singing.
Get up. Yummy. Ah, yes. Okay. I've got to log in.
I have a
What
basketball.
the Sigma? You have a basketball? Well, that's just terrific. Wow. Basketballs are very
Yeah.
nice. Get up. Should I order some more lettuce?
Eric Gaming, more like Merrick Gaming.
That's it.
Ooh.
No, you want to be like that? No,
Mhm.
that's fine. That's fine. Uh, um, get up.
Shami is playing Rivals.
Not surprised. Okay, I'm gonna lock in. Get up. Alright, I'm gonna go, I'm gonna go to the store. Yep. Stores are very awesome. How long have I been recording? 12 minutes. Okay. 6 minutes. Okay. Oh, are you cooking burger?
Shut up, guys.
Ah! Are you cooking
How do
burgers?
I click the menu? Oh.
There's a menu in this game? I did not know there's a menu.
Oh
Alright.
yeah. Guys,
Yeah.
trust.
Alright. Trusty. Are you cooking burgers?
Yeah.
Oh, yes. Yeah, have fun cooking them burgers. You should come outside of the burger shop, though. Oh, I saw a Pikachu looking rat. Oh,
Wait, that's a thing?
yeah.
That's nice.
Yeah. Alright, well, guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. Goodbye.